Hi, my name is Shruti Dineshan and I'm going to talk to you a bit about using iPerf to measure the throughput of an AP. I would like to mention my sincere thanks to Professor Dave Molta, who was a strong pillar of support throughout. iPerf is a commonly used network testing tool that can create TCP and UDP data streams and measure the throughput of a network that is carrying them. It is written in C++. iPerf is developed by the Distributed Application Support team at the National Laboratory for Applied Network Research. iPerf uses client and server functionality and can measure the throughput between the two ends, either unidirectionally or bidirectionally. It is an open source software and runs on various platforms including Linux, Unix, and Windows. It reports bandwidth, delay jitter, and datagram loss. For our test setup, we used a Cisco 3502 AP, which is a 3x3 MIMO with maximum data rates of 144 Mbps. This was configured using a Cisco 5500 wireless LAN controller in 2.4 GHz frequency range. There were two client PCs, one which served as a client and the other served as a server. IPs were assigned using a DHCP server, and in the wireless LAN controller created an iJperf network. Download iPerf onto your desktop, extract the file if it is a zip file, then go to the command window and type cd space desktop if your file is in the desktop. Then cd space folder name, press enter, then give the execution file iperf.exe and press enter. Make sure that you're connected to the iJperf network, and you can go to the command prompt and type in the command over here. Now what we are working on is a server PC, and after we have given the file extension and we have entered the commands as shown, press enter and the test will run for 10 megabytes of data for 2 minutes. Now move on to the client PC and make sure that the iJperf network is connected and enter the following command. Now as you can see, the test is being run, and this is a command for uplink test using TCP. This is also run for 10 megabytes of data for 2 minutes, and at the end you can observe the throughput. Now we are at the server PC and we are going to do the uplink test for UDP. Enter the following command and hit enter. Now we are at the client PC. Give the following command. The IP address here is the server's IP address. The test is run again in 2 minutes for 10 megabytes of data. Once the test is complete, we can observe the throughput. If you observe closely, you can find that there is a difference in the commands between TCP and UDP. With this, we complete our unidirectional testing. Now we can move on to the bidirectional testing. For the server side, you can give the same command as we have previously used, and then we can hit enter. Now we are at the client side. The test we are performing here is a UDP bidirectional test. Enter this command and press enter. As you may observe, the commands are very similar. The only difference in the unidirectional and bidirectional commands is that there is a -d to be added at the end of the command. Observe the throughput. Now we are done with our bidirectional testing. Thank you for watching my video and have a good day.